Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our channel. Today we have got a hot topic that's been buzzing in the investment world. Interact Building Products Limited is launching its IPO. Should you park your funds here or is it better to stay on the sidelines? Let's dive in and find out. So, what exactly is Interact Building Products Limited? Well, they are big players in the pre-engineered building or PEB segment in India. With over 30 years of experience, they are ranked third in terms of operating revenue from PEB business as of financial year 2023. They have completed 677 PEB contracts from financial year 2015 to 2024, showing they are not just playing around, they mean business. Now, what makes IBPL stand out? First off, they are sitting on a solid order book worth 1100 crore as of 2024 April. That's a hefty backlog that will keep them busy for the next 18 months. They've got an integrated setup from design and manufacturing to on site project management. This means they offer end to end PEB solutions, which is a big deal for customers looking for a turnkey project. Financially, the company has been on a growth trajectory. In the last 3 years, their revenue grew from 840 crores to 1300 crores. Net profit also saw a jump from 17 crores to 86 crores, with the average EPS of 49 rupees per share. Alright, let's talk about the IPO itself. The company is coming out with a fresh issue of 200 crore and an offer for a sale worth 400 crore at a price band of 850 to 900 per share. This puts their market cap around 1497 crore post IPO. The funds will be used for capex on a new projects, upgradation of manufacturing facilities, IT improvements and working capital. The issue opens from August 19th and closes by August 21st. Now, is it good to buy? Based on financial year 24 earnings, P ratio stands as at 17.36 compared to peers like Penar Industries trading at 21.7. IBPL seems fairly priced, if not a bit on the higher side. They haven't paid dividends in the past, but they have adopted a dividend policy as of 2024 Jan. The issue is fully priced, meaning it's not a steal, but it's an overpriced either. But hold on, what are the risks? The company's margins have fluctuated with the profit after tax margin ranging from 2.05% to 7.25% in the recent years. Also, 10 out of 41 issues handled by BRLMs in the last 3 years have closed below the offer price on the listing day. So there is some risk here, especially if market conditions turn unfavorable. So should you apply if you are a long-term investor who believes in the growth of PEB industries? IBPL's track record and a steady financials mark it a reasonable bit. However, if you are looking for a quick profit on a listing day, you might want to temper your expectations. The IPO is fully priced, so don't expect any fireworks. This is more a steady, medium to long-term play. That's it for today's review. If you found this breakdown helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more in-depth IPO reviews and stock market insights. Let me know in the comments, are you planning to apply for the Interact IPO? Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.